Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are trying to change the graphics setting in Identity 5 to improve performance or reduce lag, here's how you do it. Launch Open Identity 5 game on your device and make sure you are inside the game lobby. Once you're in, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu where you need to click on Graphics from the left-hand side corner. Now, under Graphic Quality at the top, you'll see options such as Performance, Low, and High. If you choose the Performance option, go ahead and choose one of the options from the top of the screen. You can select between Low, Performance, and High. If you select Low, this is best for smooth performance, which causes less lag. If you choose Performance, then it has balanced quality and performance. If you choose High, then you'll get better visuals and it may also use more device's power. Select a graphics setting according to your device's performance, and once you do, you'll be able to change your graphic quality. You can also adjust extra options such as graphic display resolution, high FPS in battle, out of battle, map brightness, and so on. Adjust necessary settings according to your preference and get back to the game. So that way you will be able to change graphic settings in the Identity 5 game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.